Hello viewers. In one of my previous video, I explained that one mistake the students do every year in every exam. I explained what mistake the students do, and at the end of that video, I also explained one 10 seconds golden rule. And I requested the students that if they want to know more about the focus, to type focus in the comment. Most of my students, they type focus on my WhatsApp. So this video is especially for those students. So what do we mean exactly by focus? Students before exam, they work hard, they take lot of efforts. But in spite of that, they lose their marks. And the worst part is they don't even realize that why they lose their marks. So here, this is because of focus. So what exactly is focus? Focus is not just staring at the questions. Concentrate on each question. No, focus is not this. See, what mistake exactly you do? As I said, I have already explained in that video. Most of the times, you don't read the question properly or you are in hurry. It's all because of this. So here, focus means what? As I said, you have to follow that 10 seconds golden rule. You have to stay cool and calm for 10 seconds. You have to read the question completely. Complete question you have to read. Understand the question properly. And then you have to start writing the answer. In exam hall, you are in panic mode. So what happens in this 10 seconds, From that panic mode, you come to thinking mode. So you'll understand the importance of that 10 seconds when you start applying it practically in your exam. Just start applying. Just this 10% golden rule is going to make a lot of change in your marks. As I said, you are going to shift from panic mode to thinking mode, and even your marks are going to shift from less marks to the best marks. Exams are not just to check what you know, how much fast you can write. Exams are to check how much you have understood the concept. And for this, first you have to understand the question properly. So, pause for 10 seconds, read the question properly, understand it properly, and then write the answer. Exams are not to check your speed. Exams are not to check your fast writing skill. Exams are to check depth of your knowledge. So, focus means you have to think properly. So, focus increases accuracy and accuracy increases your marks. Exams never give reward for your speed. Exams give reward for what you write in the answer sheet. So, hope what exactly is focus is quite clear to you. So, if you are interested to know more about such tips, which will help you to become topper, which will help you to score best marks in your exam, you can drop your query in the comment box. We will definitely try to make such videos. We will make more videos which will help students to overcome all such silly things, silly mistakes, and help them to score best marks in their exam and to become topper of the class. So hope this video was quite helpful to you. So don't forget to share this video among your friends, and of course don't forget to press the subscribe button to get the updates of such interesting and helpful videos. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.